Improving your English speaking skills is a journey that can open many doors, both personally and professionally. In today's video, we'll explore a variety of techniques and strategies that can help you become a more confident and effective speaker. Whether you're preparing for an interview, a presentation, or simply want to engage in casual conversations, these tips will provide you with the tools you need to enhance your speaking abilities. Let's start by discussing the importance of immersion. Surrounding yourself with English is one of the most effective ways to improve your speaking skills. This means not only listening to English speakers but also engaging with the language on a daily basis. Consider watching English movies or TV shows. Pay attention to the dialogues, the intonation, and the pronunciation. You can even turn on the subtitles to help you connect the spoken words with their written forms. Over time, you'll start to notice common phrases and expressions, which can enrich your vocabulary and make your speech more natural. Another great way to immerse yourself in the language is through podcasts and audiobooks. Listening to native speakers discussing a variety of topics will expose you to different accents and speaking styles. Choose subjects that interest you to keep your motivation high. As you listen, try to mimic the speakers. This practice not only helps with pronunciation but also improves your rhythm and flow. You might feel a bit silly at first, but don't let that hold you back. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Next, let's focus on vocabulary building. Having a broad vocabulary can greatly enhance your ability to express yourself. A good strategy is to keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words or phrases that you encounter during your reading or listening. Make a note of their meanings and try to use them in sentences. This active engagement will help solidify your understanding and recall of the words. Set a goal to learn a specific number of new words each week, and challenge yourself to incorporate them into your conversations. Now, let's talk about practicing speaking. Finding opportunities to speak is crucial. If you don't have a language partner, consider joining online language exchange platforms. Websites and apps like Tandem or HelloTalk allow you to connect with native speakers who want to learn your language. This reciprocal arrangement can be very beneficial. You can practice your English while helping someone else with their language skills. During these conversations, don't hesitate to ask for feedback. Constructive criticism is invaluable for improvement. If you prefer a more structured approach, consider enrolling in a conversation class. Many community centers and language schools offer courses specifically designed to improve speaking skills. These classes often focus on discussion, role-playing, and real-life scenarios, providing you with a safe space to practice. Additionally, you can practice speaking in front of a mirror. This may feel a bit odd, but it allows you to observe your facial expressions and body language, which are essential components of effective communication. Another technique to consider is shadowing. This involves listening to a short audio clip of a native speaker and then immediately repeating what you hear. Try to match the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation as closely as possible. This exercise is excellent for improving your accent and overall fluency. You can choose clips from TED Talks, speeches, or even YouTube videos. Start with short segments, and gradually work your way up to longer ones. Building confidence is another essential aspect of enhancing your speaking skills. One way to boost your confidence is through positive self-talk. Before speaking, remind yourself of your progress and the hard work you've put into learning the language. Visualization can also be a powerful tool. Imagine yourself speaking fluently and confidently in various situations. This mental practice can help reduce anxiety and prepare you for real-life interactions. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of recording yourself. Choose a topic you're passionate about and speak on it for a few minutes. Record your voice, and later, listen to the playback. This will help you identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation, filler words, or pacing. Over time, you'll notice your progress, which can be incredibly motivating. You might even consider starting your own YouTube channel to document your journey. This could provide a platform for you to practice speaking in front of an audience while sharing your experiences with others. Reading aloud is another valuable technique. Choose books, articles, or any material that interests you, and read it aloud. This practice not only helps with pronunciation but also improves your overall fluency and comprehension. It's a great way to reinforce new vocabulary and sentence structures. Additionally, consider varying your reading materials. Explore different genres, such as fiction, non-fiction, poetry, and articles. This variety will expose you to diverse language styles and vocabulary. Engaging in discussions about current events can also enhance your speaking skills. Follow the news, and pick a few articles to read each week. Try to summarize the key points and share your thoughts with a friend or a language partner. This practice will not only improve your speaking skills but also keep you informed about the world around you. Having a well-rounded perspective can help you engage in more meaningful conversations. Listening is just as important as speaking. To become a better speaker, you need to be a good listener. When you engage in conversations, pay attention to how others express their thoughts and ideas. Observe their use of language, the expressions they use, and how they structure their sentences. This can provide valuable insights into effective communication. When it's your turn to speak, you can incorporate some of these techniques into your own style. One often overlooked aspect of speaking is the importance of body language. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in how your message is received. When speaking, maintain eye contact and use appropriate gestures to emphasize your points. Your posture and facial expressions can also convey confidence and engagement. Practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself can help you become more aware of your body language and how it complements your speech. Participating in public speaking events can also significantly enhance your speaking skills. Look for opportunities in your community, such as Toastmasters or local meetups focused on speaking. These platforms provide a supportive environment where you can practice and receive feedback from peers. The more you expose yourself to public speaking, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Remember that everyone started somewhere, and with practice, you will improve. If you're preparing for specific situations, such as a job interview or a presentation, take the time to rehearse. Outline your main points and practice delivering them out loud. Consider recording yourself to analyze your pacing and clarity. You can even practice with a friend who can provide constructive feedback. Anticipating questions or challenges you might face during the interaction will also help you feel more prepared and less anxious. Another effective strategy is to learn phrases and expressions commonly used in everyday conversations. Rather than focusing solely on individual words, familiarize yourself with chunks of language. For example, phrases like "on the other hand," "as a matter of fact," or "to be honest" can help you sound more fluent and natural. Additionally, idiomatic expressions can add color to your language and make your speech more engaging. Look for resources online or in books that focus on common English phrases. Lastly, always remember to celebrate your progress. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Set small, achievable goals and take the time to acknowledge your successes. Whether it's completing a challenging conversation or mastering a new set of vocabulary, recognizing your achievements will keep you motivated. Share your journey with friends or online communities. You'll find encouragement and support from others who are on a similar path. In conclusion, enhancing your English speaking skills is a multifaceted process that requires dedication, practice, and a positive mindset. By immersing yourself in the language, building your vocabulary, seeking out speaking opportunities, and focusing on confidence and body language, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more effective communicator. Remember, the key is consistency. Make English a part of your daily routine, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. So, start implementing these strategies today, and watch your speaking skills flourish. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of enhancing your English speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your progress.